Hey guys, so this is the unboxing video of the Sabrent 2TB Rocket NVMe SSD. So this guy here is sold on Amazon for £250 at the time of the making of this video. So this is not the original price. This is like 24% off, and this is quite a good deal. You can find another one cheaper. It's the Sabrent Rocket-Q. It's also 2 TB, but it's a bit cheaper because this one, like the Rocket-Q, is a quad level cell. So in case you don't know what that means, I'm gonna be making another video about explaining how to buy your new SSD and what's the differences between both. So anyway, let's get to it. So as you can see, it's a bit hard to take that plastic thing off. Anyway, this SSD comes with a Acronis True Image software for easy cloning. You just have to download it from the website and register your SSD with it. I didn't really use it, but it comes with the package. So yeah, inside you'll find this box. Let me just take it out. Yep, there it is. So it's a metal box, so it feels premium. That's how it looks. And then inside you'll find this booklet. It's basically just contains some info about how to install your SSD. I'm going to be also making a video about how to install the SSD inside your laptop. I'm going to be using the Tufts A17, Asus TUF A17. So yeah, this is the SSD itself, just the expected form factor for the SSD, and that's pretty much it. There's nothing else in the box, but I gotta say that I really liked the metal box. It's a nice one, feels premium. So thanks guys, see you in the next video. Bye.